don't want to do that.
No, I choose to pay.
Like when?
It's totally possible. So,
I don't know what that means. You probably said that to me back in 2024.
no, I wasn't able to come in 2020. When I came to the ticket,
Weren't able to come. What's that?
Because when I initially got the ticket, I came to pay, and I had just moved it to my apartment, so I had gave them the wrong day. Because the lady told me not to pay because I would get 2 points automatic. So
So you just didn't pay and you didn't come up and show up, right? Okay. It doesn't work out bad when you come and talk to us. Okay. Tori Elizabeth Antel. 25F245326. Antel, come on up to the podium. Could I also have Jessica and Naya up to the table there to sit there, my right, your left. Ma'am, your name?
Tori Elizabeth.
So you're charged with drunk driving, operating while intoxicated. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. Okay, we'll set you up with a lawyer. You can go out in the hallway. He'll set you up with a lawyer. You'll talk to the lawyer. Your lawyer will talk to the prosecutor. And then you'll come back here, okay, with your lawyer. Thank you. Jessica, Lynn, and Naya, 25R2542.
Judge, there's a warrant file coming down for her also.
Okay, I'll pass
Stephanie's on
that.
her way down.
I'll pass that one. You have a seat right there, ma'am. Gayla May Irwin, 26R254917, 26R254918. Your name, ma'am?
Gail.
Gail Leah what?
Perfect.
You're charged with malicious destruction of property, 2 counts. You have the right to an attorney. Would you like an attorney?
Yes, sir.
We'll set you up with a lawyer, go out in the hallway, and you'll meet with the lawyer. Your lawyer will meet with the prosecutor, and then you'll come back here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Lines. Jacob William Lines, 26F245410. Come on up to the podium, please, and tell me your name.
Jacob Lyons.
You're charged with driving on a suspended. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. If not, I'm going to arraign you and send you to the prosecutor.
No, sir. I have my mom as a witness.
Okay, so you waive your right to a lawyer.
Yes, sir.
On January 4th of 26, it is alleged that you did operate a motor vehicle in the city of Flat Rock, County of Wayne. They think you did have a suspended license. That is a misdemeanor. It is punishable by up to $500 in fines, 93 days jail, court costs for all of those penalties. 2 points would be added to your traffic record. Do you understand that? And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
I'm entering a not guilty plea. I'm giving you a $500 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. If there are bond conditions associated with this, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'm entering a not guilty plea. You'll go talk to the prosecutor, and then you'll come back with your lawyer when you're done. Your lawyer will talk to the prosecutor. I'm sorry, you don't have a lawyer. You're going to talk to the prosecutor and then come back, okay? Jessica, Lynn, and Naya, 25R254240, 25R5141188. Name?
Jessica Lyons.
What are you doing? You didn't show up for a show cause back in September. How come?
I didn't receive any address. The one I just got, his father sent it to me.
You live on Plainview in Detroit?
No, I live in Dittner, so that's the one that I just see, the Plainview one. That's where my kid's father lives still. So I live on Dittner.
You needed to notify us of any change of address, man.
They had the address last time.
Well, we don't make mistakes like that in this building. I'm just telling you. You also have a charge here of assault and battery. You have the right to a lawyer on both of these cases. Would you like a lawyer?
What is that? Assault and battery.
Correct. Assault and battery. October 26th of 25. You didn't show up for this one either on December 11th.
Who's an assault against?
Gianni Maffasoli. He's the victim. Do you want a lawyer?
Yes.
Okay, we'll give you a lawyer on both of these. You will talk to the lawyer, and then the lawyer will talk to the prosecutor, and then you'll come in here with your lawyer, okay? All right, so you can go out in the hallway, and we canceled both the warrants on all these, right, Heather?
Correct, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, go out in the hallway, ma'am, and you'll meet with a lawyer, and then you will come back in front of me, okay? Do I have anything else? What are you here on, sir? I can't hear you. What's your name? Did you check in with my court officer?
He did not.
Go ahead, check in with him, sir. People against Luke. Jordan Adele Luke, 25F 245 322 A and P. Come on up to the podium, sir. Your name?
Jordan Adele.
Good morning. You're charged with driving on a suspended and improper lane use. If you want a lawyer, I will give you one. Otherwise, I will arraign you and send you to the prosecutor to discuss the case. Arraign, by that, I mean explain the charge, the possible penalties, and your rights. What would you like to do?
You want to provide a lawyer, that's okay with you. I do have
Is that what you want as a lawyer? Do you want a lawyer?
I have an actually not on this case, but if you want to provide one, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, I'll give you a lawyer. You're entitled to one. We'll give you a defense lawyer, okay?
Okay.
You can go out in the hallway and my court officer will set you up with a lawyer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Heather tried to call you, but it went straight to voicemail on the bench.
On the bench?
Sir, you have to take your head up.
What is it
Thank you,
again?
sir. What's your name?
Tutu what?
Johnson. Hubert. Time. What time? Repeat, sir, I'm veteran. What time?
Hi, did you try to call me?
9:45. If I could get out of here.
I'm okay with that. Yeah, I mean, do I have anything scheduled on that day? Like any state cave or carryover or anything like that? Even if I do, go ahead and schedule a docket with him. Perfect. Thank you.
I'm walking, man.
Thanks, Mike.
I was a parrot. You were me.
You figured so.
I thought killed you. I love that you make me very well. I had to see you. We need to be about it. I'm good, yep.
You got something ready? What's your name, sir?
Keiko Silvestre.
You're not a lawyer?
Yes, no, he's not a lawyer.
He looks like a lawyer. Sure. Nice outfit there.
Thank you.
Okay. Ma'am, did you check in with my court officer?
No, not yet. This gentleman that just left?
Yes, so make sure you do when you come in. You're Mr. Lyons, right?
Yes, sir.
Why are you in here already?
Let's go sit and wait outside.
Wait, did you talk to the prosecutor?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, you went through the process that quickly, eh? Okay, good enough.
Yeah.
Was I sitting here? Did I not hear that?
What? The phone?
Yeah.
You said it went straight to voicemail. Didn't ring.
Do I have too many saved messages? Huh. I wonder why. I got a flashing red light here. Can you check it out later?
Who's checking in now?
You.
What's your name?
All right. Lines, Jacob William Lines, 26F245, 410. Come on up here, Mr. Lines, your name?
Jacob Lyons.
All right, so you met with the city attorney, and as I understand it, you're going to plead guilty to the added count of allowing unlicensed driver to drive, which is a 0-point violation, which will not be reported to the Michigan Secretary of State, and the suspend charge will be dismissed. Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
If you plead to that, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You need to sign, read, and understand and advice of rights form here today. If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and we will not have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
You do have the right to an attorney. Do you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
I do.
To the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
On January the 4th of 26, were you in control of a 2016 Jeep that was being operated on Telegraph near Law and Flat Rock at 2:23 in the morning?
Yes, sir.
Did you allow somebody to drive that was unlicensed, and was that you? Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No.
Plea is accepted, suspends, dismissed. Why aren't you showing up on these warrants?
I had a change in income and I was unable to pay on those and I just since then been able to start paying on them.
You got to go over and talk to the judges in Taylor and Dearborn Heights.
We just set up a payment plan for the Taylor and I made a payment on one of my tickets in Dearborn Heights. And today after court, we're also going to Dearborn on Southfield. And then I'm taking care of my review fines and then the fines come here as well.
Where do you work?
I'm on unemployment right now. So,
Why? How come you're not working?
I had a change of housing and I was kind of forced to quit my job. So
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sentence you. You ready? 100 fines, 75 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment, 300 or 60 days.
yeah, you mean the TV set?
You got one from 2024 you still haven't paid. You got two others from 2025 you haven't paid. What are you doing? Where do you work at?
Or yeah, the airport.
What do you do there?
I can
How much do you make?
probably around 600 a week.
When do you intend to pay these, or are you gonna make me lock you up? I don't want to do that.
No, I think it's okay.
Like when?
It's totally possible. So,
I don't know what that means. You probably said that to me back in 2024.
no, I wasn't able to come in 2024. When I came to pay the ticket,
Weren't able to come. What's that?
Because when I initially got the ticket, I came to pay and I had just moved into my apartment, so I had gave them the wrong day. Because the lady told me not to pay because I would get 2 points automatic. So she
So you just didn't pay and you didn't come up and show up, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Mr. Ned, how old are you?
I'm 23.
Did you graduate?
You gotta take that phone out.
Phone's got to go out of the building.
It's all over the door.
Phone's got to go out of the building. Come on. Are you married? Kids?
I'm
No?
taking care of my sisters.
Do you have any money to pay today?
I have around $500.
Doing this. Okay? All you gotta do is go and talk to a judge. I don't care if it's here, wherever. You go and talk. Hey, I'm having a hard time, but you can't ignore courts like this. 47119, 118. I see. It's 198. Here's what I'm gonna do for you, okay? Good morning, Mr. Cayley. Hey, did you talk to my judicial clerk?
Yeah, Heather's.
Yeah, okay. On 25W840071, Heather, I'm gonna have him, he owes 288 plus his clearance fee. I'm gonna reduce the balance to 210 plus the clearance fee, so he has to pay 255. He'll walk out with a clearance on that one. On 24F242804, he owes 225. He's gonna pay 175. I'll waive the balance. On 25T647118, he's going to pay 160. He owes 198. I'll waive the balance. So those tickets there would amount to 430, 590. You don't have that much though, right?
I have,
It's fine if you don't.
I really don't. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you until you pay this one by February the 20th. And I'm talking about the last one. You said you have about 500, so you're gonna go down and pay 430, and you're gonna come back on 25T647118. That's the speeding. I'm reducing that to 160. If you want to apply something toward it today, you can. If you don't, that's fine. Next time you have a problem, come talk to me, okay? Will you do that, please?
Okay.
All right, good luck.
Oh, guys, thank you, please, sir. My mom is in the hospital. She's been in the hospital for 2 months, so I really appreciate you today. And
Oh, geez, I'm sorry about
no,
that.
you're fine. I just wanted to say thank you.
Is she gonna be okay?
We don't know. She had a aneurysm and a stroke, and she worked as a multiple aneurysm. A couple strokes and a couple seizures.
I don't want you to not be able to eat. Can you do this without?
I'm just I can do it. Me and my aunt have to take care of my sisters and paying her rent, my rent. So
I'll tell you what. You have $500, right? Yes?
Yes, it's
You pay 70 on file 118. We'll call it a day. I'll waive the balance.
and so
It doesn't work out bad when you come and talk to us, okay? Good luck, and good luck to your mom.
thank you, sir.
Okay? Best of luck to you. It's okay? Can you pay that?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're all set. Good morning, Mr. Longton. You too. Who are you with, Raheem?
Yeah, good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on behalf of Rajab Shahidi.
Did you go and talk to the prosecutor yet?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Okay, as soon as we get your file, I'll call it, okay? As long as your client's in here. Where's your client at?
My client is not here, Your Honor.
Where is he?
I was not aware that he needed to show up today. I thought it was a pre-trial, and I have consent to show up on his behalf.
You
Just a pretty
can't.
formal.
Oh, it's a pre-formal. I'm sorry. I didn't realize. Pre-formal, a
Scared me.
speeding ticket. You
Okay.
can do that. Okay, no
All right.
problem.
Thank you, Judge.
I know, you looked like you were. Sorry about that.
No, it's fine. You scared me for a second.
No,
It's fine.
see that. How we doing today?
No, he's coming. I'm ready to go.
You waiting?
Yeah.
Nobody shows up on time except me and you. Huh?
I'm here before both of you guys.
I love to say that, you know, Roger, when I was a lawyer, I waited for the judges all the time the same way. Now I wait for the lawyers.
Look for you to,
Well, I don't know what's going on out there, you know, this,
I don't know where everybody is.
hey, I don't either. Yeah, all right. Rashid, Shahidi, 26F245431. Good morning, counsel. Again, your appearance.
Thank you. Good morning, Your Honor. Ray Rahal on behalf of Rajab Shahidi.
All right, so
Um,
you met with the city attorney and you are going to plead to impeding traffic on behalf of your client. You're authorized to enter that plea, true?
That is correct, Your Honor.
To
Yes.
that charge, how do you plead? Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted. 160 is the total. Original charge of speeding's dismissed. I'll give him till the 12th to pay, okay? He can go right
Great.
on 33court.com and make his payment, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Summer Lori, Great House. 25F245336. Good morning, Mr. Longton. Your appearance?
I have to follow up with the on 678.
Ma'am, your name, please? All right, so she's charged with operating while intoxicated. She's had three priors, right? Right? Does she stand mute, waive formal reading?
Yes, sir.
Not guilty, please enter. She maybe needs to get into the sobriety court with me. You know that? I don't know why they're not charging these as felonies, but that's their business.
Okay.
Does she work?
She has a partner.
Where at?
Real estate.
Allegedly a .271. I'm gonna go ahead and enter a not guilty plea. How much does she make in her employment, Mr. Longton,
It varies.
on average?
I'm sorry.
On average.
Oh. Probably 40,000-50,000 right now.
Married, kids?
I have 3 children and I'm going through a separation.
You have $500 with you?
Yeah, $500.
Yes. 5,000, 10%, and that's a gift. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law. You must appear in court as directed. You're to attend AANA 4 times per week. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. No contact with prosecution witnesses through your lawyer. You do have to obtain, ma'am, a SoberLink device by the end of the day. Now, I could require you to go to the county, and that's a machine that you're going to blow into, and you'll be waiting around there for 3 days. I'm not going to do that. But you have to obtain a SoberLink device by today. They'll explain that to you in the probation department. You really should give her, she really should give some consideration to sobriety court, Mr.
Yeah.
Longton.
The shop.
And so why don't you, she can go over there, she can get the packet of information. We'll give you an AA sheet. Again, you have to go in person. Yes, ma'am. You have to go in person.
Is there a possibility that I could do kind of both? I don't really have a lot of childcare because I don't have, my kid's father is, he travels a lot.
See.
He's not really around, so it's hard for me.
I'll let you do at least 2 times per week, and you can do the other 2 by Zoom. Give me that again. I'm sorry, I should take that back and have this on. Has she ever been to jail on these?
Where?
if you're gonna do any of these by Zoom, and I'll let you do up to 2 a week, you have to tell me on a piece of paper. You don't disclose names. I just want to know what was discussed, where it was, what time you were online, okay? So I'll hand you the bond sheet. You're gonna have to post $500. We're gonna set this on a Flat Rock docket day. I really want her to give, I know, I don't want to threaten anybody, but I can promise you if she doesn't get into sobriety court, she's gonna be in jail for a long time. Okay? Give me a date if you would, Heather.
February 19th at 10:15.
Is that good with you, ma'am? And Mr. Longton?
February 19th is terrible.
Okay, so
We do the morning of 20, it needs to be a Thursday.
it does have to be a Thursday.
Judge, we did just add on that Tuesday, March 3rd
Oh, we can do March 3rd
at 1 o'clock.
March 3rd at 1 o'clock is the building.
That's when we'll do it. So I want her to figure out, you know, and obviously she has the right to a trial, and I'm gonna be,
I don't think a file will be necessary on it.
no, I understand. I'm just saying, I want, if we can do sobriety court, all the statistics show us that the earlier the better, okay? I wish you well, ma'am. Go down the hall, post your $500. Just relax. Just relax. I can tell you're nerved up. Don't be. We're gonna help you. You're gonna end this drinking problem right now. Okay? Thank you. And probation will explain where she needs to go to get the sober link, okay? And they'll give her the packet. So John, call over to probation, just tell them we're sending somebody over for a sober link and we want them to sit with Beth or get the probation packet anyway. Hubert Johnson,
Yes, sir.
come on up here, sir. Hubert Carroll Johnson, 25R 514-325. Right up to the podium if you would. How you doing?
I'm a veteran, sir. I can't hear very good.
Oh, that's all right. Thank you for your service. I mean that sincerely. What branch were you in?
82nd Airborne, paratrooper, machine gun, flamethrower, bazooka, scuba diver.
Well,
On the DMZ,
thank you.
Korea, and I'm a Vietnam vet.
Thank you very much for your
I do
service.
120 military funerals a year, free.
I admire anybody who was in the military. I mean that. You have my utmost respect. So thank you for your service. Can you hear me?
And my daddy, my uncle, some of my cousins never made it back. My dad was in the Seabees for 2 years in the jungle. He came home, I was raised by a combat veteran. All I was screaming all the time.
Yeah, my father was a Marine Corps major. He wasn't in combat, but he was awful tough on me, okay?
I come from a long line of Cherokee warriors too.
Well, sir, I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss your case on motion of the prosecutor. It looks like you took care of the blight condition. Case dismissed. Case dismissed. You're all set. Thank you again.
Can I put my hat on in front of it? Paratrooper hat.
You can wear your paratrooper hat, sir. You have a great day. Good luck.
I would do it all over again.
Thank you. Thanks. William Edward Miller IV. Come on up here, sir. 26R 514-439A. Good morning, sir. Your name?
William Miller.
How you doing?
Good.
You're charged with no valid ops on person. They wrote you also for a speeding. Did you pay that?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to a lawyer here today. If you want one, I will give you one.
I'm all right, sir.
I'll go ahead and arraign you. January 7, 26, 9:08 PM, they think you were operating a motor vehicle on I-75 near Huron River Drive and that you did not have a valid operator's license on your person. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form here today?
Oh, yeah, the front.
Yes.
Sir.
If you plead guilty at any time, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'll enter a not guilty plea. I'll give this to we're going to give this to the prosecutor. You go out in the hallway and wait. Tell him you paid the speeding. He might cut you a better break, okay? I'll make a note of this, but you make sure you tell him that, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You working?
So where was the
You
problem?
working?
No, not right now.
Why not?
I was in an accident. I was hit by a truck not long ago.
Not good.
Left wrist and my right foot are broken.
Geez, I'm sorry. He's going to take you right to the Rockwood prosecutor, John. And you go out in the hallway, you'll meet with the prosecutor and you're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.
How you doing?
In advance.
We'll get him.
He's not here.
Oh, he's South Lab. Or he's going, wow. Well, you're not good with it, are you?
No.
And I hope that everybody has their phones muted. Okay? I mean, that's just common courtesy, and we got signs all over, and every day phones go off. I don't understand, but please, or else I'm gonna make you take it outside. I'm getting ready to make people wait till the end of the call if they keep coming in here with phones that are ringing. Gina Madlock, 25R514452. Good morning. Not too bad yourself. You're on a bad run here, though. Your name? You gotta be careful, Ms. Madlock. This is 3 tickets in about 7 or 8 months, right?
Yeah, the last 7 or 8 months. Crazy.
To the charge of impeding, and that's what you're agreeing to plead to, responsible or not responsible. Plea is accepted, speeds dismissed, $170. You can go down the hall, take care of that. Good luck. Dominic Dang Gwen, 26R514440. How you doing, Mr. Glenn?
Good, how are you, Your Honor?
Not too bad. Your name?
Dominic.
You're going to plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, you have a clean record. The relate's dismissed. 150 is your total. You can go down the hall, take care of that, and you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck. Oscar Emmanuel Gonzalez, 26R514449. And I'd like Liz Mary Bolito seated at the table here. Come on up to the podium, Mr. Gonzalez, and tell me your name.
Is it right here?
Yes, ma'am. Your name, sir?
Oscar Gonzalez.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You're gonna plead to impeding?
Yep.
That's what you want? You sure?
Yep.
All right, just asking. To the charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible.
Responsible.
Plea is accepted. Amber Light's dismissed. 150 is your total. Cash your rent of the hall to your right. Any questions? Good luck. Liz Mary Bolito, 25R514457. Your name?
Liz Mary.
Did they offer you impeding?
Yes, they did.
You don't want to do that?
I just,
Hang on a second. I don't want to talk about the kids. They got you going 40 and a 25. Maybe
40.
they wrote you for 32 and a 20. I mean, if you think you're going to win, if you think that he's not going to be able to prove that you were going at least 26, It makes sense for you to take that. Now, I don't care if you do or not. I'm here anyways. So you want to come back for a hearing, you come back for the hearing. But if you go to a hearing and you lose, this one's 2 points. He doesn't have you for 32 and a 25. He has you for 35 and a 25, which is a 2-point civil infraction.
I'll take it. Evening.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's fine.
You don't want to do that?
Okay, I'll look at it.
You don't want to do that?
I'll take it.
Call in.
I don't want any points.
Well, why? Okay, but I'll call him. Jim, is Lieutenant Mercure with you?
Yeah, he is.
Can you ask him to come in here, please?
Yep.
Thank you. All right, just wait 1 second. I want you to understand, whether you do this or not, I could care less. If you want to go to a hearing, go to the hearing. I'm just telling you what's going to happen if you lose. Okay?
I don't want.
Well, but you told them you wanted a hearing, right?
I did.
Okay. I don't want to change your mind.
We're not changing my mind.
Okay. All right, let me get him in here. I need him to change the form then, okay? Give me 1 second. Lieutenant, come on up here, please.
Morning, Ron.
Good morning. Your name?
Detective Lieutenant Steve Barker, Rocket Police.
How are you?
Good, sir.
Ms. Bolito, I think, has changed her mind. She wants to do impeding.
No problem.
You want to change this on the form? Thank you. So, ma'am, he's going to offer you impeding. Are you sure that's what you want to do? If you want time to think about it, I'll be glad to do that. To the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? All right, I'm going to accept your plea. The speed's dismissed. 150 is your total. Catch you in the hall to your right.
Thank you.
It won't go on your record. Have a good day. Good luck to you. Thank you. Do we have anything else? How you doing?
Morning, Judge.
Nice to see you.
Get up here every 6 years now.
Oh, yeah, whether you want to or not. What case do you have?
The section.
This-
Not 1,000 price, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, hand him your advice of rights and I'll call your case. What's your P number?
27566, Judge.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I knew you were around my time. What's happened? You gotta be out 46 or 7 years, right?
I passed about October of 77.
77, so this is your 48th.
48.
Actually, you got 48 in, right?
Yes.
Crazy. Where's it gone? Huh?
Good.
Seems like it's,
Tired, but my wife doesn't tolerate me for more than 3 hours at a time.
I gotta tell you, I still have nightmares about some of those props yelling at us at Detroit College of Law anyway. Jeez.
You still remember though?
How could I forget? How could I forget? But they were good profs. They really were. Matthew James Gazecki, 26R514345.
Morning, Judge Wayne Godfroy, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gasecki. My P number is P27566.
Sir, your name?
Matthew Gasecki.
All right, so your client is charged with super drunk, which is punishable by 6 months, up to 6 months. He's got one OWI that was dismissed, it looks like, so he has no priors, or does, yeah, it looks like he has no priors. All right, so what's he gonna do for purposes of arraignment?
Stand mute, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea for you, sir. I'll give you $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. How old is he, counsel?
Judge, it was, you're 40, just
All
turned.
right. I do want you going to AA once a week though. Okay, sir? We're going to give you a form. You have to go in person. Every time you go, you have to have the form signed. Every time you come to court, you have to bring the form with you. So those are your bond conditions. Again, no contact with prosecution witnesses except through your lawyer, no alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. AA once a week. We'll give you a AA form. Again, make sure you have that signed and you bring it with you every time. And I am going to give you your bond sheet up here in a moment. What date?
The bond sheet, he does work in Toledo. He
Oh,
works,
that's okay. So you can leave the state for employment. Where do you work at? G plant?
No, I work for Canadian National Railroad.
Can leave state for employment purposes to go to Ohio. What do you have for me, Heather?
February 19th at 10:15.
Is that good with you, Mr. Gutton?
Judge, we're gonna get a discovery order. I talked to the prosecutor this morning, and once we get arranged, we're gonna go and get the discovery order, probably come back. I'm not sure if they can comply with that because there is, cameras,
I'll tell you what, we'll just make it, what do I have? March 3rd, right? At
March
1?
3rd at 1 o'clock.
You want to do March 3rd at 1? It'll be a lot easier too, because you won't have any traffic in here usually if he's.
yes, Judge, March 3rd at
This-
1 would work.
This just got added, so I'll sign your discovery order. Did he already approve it?
He said, get the,
Okay.
come here and
Good enough. So we'll give you, here, see, we're gonna hand your client that bond sheet. We're gonna hand him an AA form. You're gonna go down the hall, both of you are gonna get your notices. You get the order, give it to my court officer, I'll sign it, and we'll have you out of here in 5 minutes.
thank you, Judge.
Nice to see you.
All right.
Have a
Thank
great
you.
day. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Anybody out there on Zoom, Heather? What in the world's going on here? Feel
I
like,
just have one that I need to see if they want to transfer a pretrial. They've already been arraigned.
okay. Is there much traffic out in the hallway?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
My docket lawyer today is
Keith now,
who?
he's going to you.
No, Mazen's here in place of her today.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get off the bench unless somebody has something ready. You got something ready?
I'll show you on it. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, right there, and then,
Where's your client?
he's here.
Oh, okay. I told him he looks like a lawyer.
That's beautiful.
Huh?
That's good.
I mean, look at him. Got a bow tie on and everything. All
I
right,
believe this
people
is our
against-
French interpreter, Judge.
Oh, we need a French interpreter?
She's here. She's right there.
Oh, okay. Good morning. People against DeGetto, Sylvester, Bagnon, 25F, 245, 279. Your name? No, her.
My name is Kim Hao Opress, Your Honor.
Do you have a card?
Yes, Your Honor.
Turn to your,
All right.
He needs to copy.
Oh, okay. Give me.
Well, thank you.
All right, Ms. Olbris, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm that you will make a true and accurate translation between the court and the defendant and his lawyer.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are state certified interpreter for
Qualified, Your Honor.
qualified?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always say
They
certified.
don't have,
I know, French,
whole state doesn't have any certified.
I know. French interpreter, right?
Yes,
You speak French fluently.
yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, state your appearance.
Good morning, I'm a Gilson B67842 of New York. Sylvester Gilton, I want to be very.
You're going to interpret that, right? No, go ahead and tell him what he said.
You say that is. Vous avez en train de commencer peut-être son nom, il y a aussi son numéro sur là, et une offre avocat pour les tout cas.
Sure, your name. Okay.
Before we understand with you.
Tell him that. I'm entering a not guilty plea. I'm giving you a $500 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. Here are your bond conditions. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Yes, yeah.
Did you talk to the prosecutor today?
I talked to him briefly, we have to talk again.
Today?
Yes,
Yeah, because as long as we have the interpreter here, maybe you guys can work something out.
that's all.
So I'm entering a not guilty plea. I'll hand you back the file. Go to the Flat Rock prosecutor right through there. Actually, just go around because that's the lockup. And come on back in.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. All right, so she'll come with you. Thanks.
That's good. I speak French as well, so we.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Good. Good. All right, Walker. Brian Keith Walker. 26R514484. Come on up here, Mr. Walker. Tell me your name. Name?
Brian.
You're charged with operating while intoxicated. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. Would you like an attorney?
No.
I think you want one. It's a drunk driving. You want one. I'm gonna give you a lawyer. And then you come back in here, okay? With your lawyer, after your lawyer speaks to the prosecutor. Okay?
Thank you.
Have a good, go right out in the hallway, okay? And he'll bring the file out and set you up. Thank you. Do we have any idea what room Mr. Gates in? Is he in room, is he with 271?
My understanding is he does not have a phone in the room he's in.
45430. And could I have Eric Bagaya seated at the table, my right, your left? Have a seat at that table there, sir. Come on up to the podium, Mr. Smith. Your name?
Eric Smith.
All right, good. You're charged with driving on a suspended. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. Do you want to?
It's a driving.
I'm sorry?
It's a driving. Take care of it.
All right, I'll go ahead and arraign you and send you to the prosecutor. It is alleged that you did on January 7 of 26 operate a motor vehicle in Flat Rock, they think with a suspended or revoked license that is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines 93 days jail costs are all those 2 points. Do you understand that?
Definitely.
You are presumed innocent. You have the right to a trial by court or jury. You have the right to question their witnesses, to bring in your own, to use the subpoena powers of the court, to bring in those witnesses, to testify or remain silent. If you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights. We're not going to have a trial. You're waiving the presumption of innocence. You're waiving the requirement that they prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. I'll enter a not guilty plea. I'll give you a personal bond. You don't have to post any money, $500. You cannot leave the state without consent. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You're going to go talk to the prosecutor and see what you can work out. And either way, you're coming back in front of me, okay?
Today, right?
Correct.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
Go right out in the hall and the prosecutor will call you. Eric Tarenti Bergaya Jr., 26F262289. Mr. Bagaya, come on up here. Tell me your name, please.
Eric Bowman.
Okay, counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Judge. Good to see you 2 days in a row. Patrick Nineheist, P76343 on behalf of Mr. Begoya, who's present in court, and I'm on Zoom, so thank you, Judge, for allowing me to be on Zoom.
We're just adjourning this, right?
Yes, Judge, but we wanted to address, I wanted to get a discovery order, which the prosecutor said was filled out, and you wanted us to come back so we could discuss modifying his bond to allow him to have non-assaultive contact with the victim.
I don't know.
Their child income.
I wanted Ms. Denoyer here. I was hoping somebody would get her here. Maybe I wasn't very good about making that. Can you come on in here, Mr. Cayley, please?
Sure.
Thank you. So I've signed your discovery order. They will send that. They will email that to you. You have
Thank
an
you very
email
much.
address you can give me real quick?
Yeah, P as in Patrick, then my last name, NYENHUIS@gmail.com.
Mr. Cayley, your name?
Roger Kelly, I've got a big situation.
So I set this quick because this was a victim. They had minor children. I don't know if you ever had a chance or anybody over there had a chance to speak to the victim. I wanted to not require that he not be here or not be able to see his kids, but I'd like some input from the mother.
I've not heard from him.
You don't have Denson or Jermo there in the room with you, do you? No.
No.
How old are the kids?
3 and 1, sir.
Go ahead. You want to say something, Mr. Knight? I'm concerned about this. I'd like to at least get some input. I mean, I read the complaint.
Yeah, it was a pretty brief comment.
Yeah, so here,
He actually ended up, he was the one who called the police, Judge.
do you have any objection to me ordering that there's not to be any contact except to effectuate visitation?
No problem.
So I'm gonna go ahead and allow that, Mr. Nienhouse. We don't have to get too crazy here, but I want to be clear. Would you please call the police department and tell them I added that condition
Sure.
so that they can convey it to the victim? Try to wait till tomorrow at least, if you would, please.
Yes.
Your conversations with her are going to be limited to talking about when and where you can pick up the kids. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Judge also would ask no assaultive or abusive.
Right, and that's gonna be added too, but I wanna be clear about that. I don't want you talking about this case. You're not to talk about finances. You're not to talk about anything other than when you're gonna pick up the kids, or she's gonna drop them off, and when you're gonna drop them off, or she's gonna pick them up, okay? I'll give you another court date, and I'm just asking that you wait until tomorrow to give her a call so that they can notify her. What do you have for me, Heather?
We could do February 19th at 10:15.
Good with you?
Judge, that should work for me. Thank you very much.
February 19th at 10:15 will be your court date. So you go down the hall, get your court date. And that's it. Okay? Understand everything? All right. Good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thanks
much,
a lot.
Judge.
People against Ernst, Ezard, Jujuan, Ernst, 26F245-355. Sir, come on up to the podium. Tell me your name. Your name, sir? Yeah, don't be bashful. I need you closer to the microphone.
My name is Ezra Juwan Ernst.
You're charged with operating while intoxicated. You have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I will give you one.
Yes.
Do you want a lawyer?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You go right up to, go right out in the hallway. We will bring this to the defense lawyer. And the defense lawyer will, come out and talk to you. He'll talk to the prosecutor, or she'll talk to the prosecutor. I don't know who it's gonna be. And then, you'll come back in with your lawyer, okay? All right. And either way, you understand you're coming back in front of me, right?
Yes.
Thank you. Good luck. All right, people against, Drew Richard Dupre, 25F245129, A, B, and C. Good morning, Mr. Clovis.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bill Clovis, 38434, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you please identify yourself for the record?
Morning, Your Honor. Drew Dupre.
All right, I can do what, the 19th on this,
Judge?
Yes.
Okay, it's the 26th, okay?
I don't,
No,
Is-
we don't. We don't have Flat Rock that day, Judge. We could, our next.
does
day
Judge
after
Hessen
the-
have Flat Rock that day?
She is off that day, so no.
So we don't have that.
Let me just check the 19th, I apologize.
It's all right.
I was looking at Thursdays.
Our next day would be March 3rd.
I can do March 3rd in the afternoon.
Oh, that'd be fantastic.
March 3rd at 1 PM. We added that docket this morning with Flat Rock. So
Right.
March 3rd at 1 PM. Sir, good luck. You're gonna go down the hall and get your notice. Take care. Thank
Judge.
you.
Have a good weekend. Your staff.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks.
Ma'am, you met with a lawyer, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Jeez. A lot of drunk drivings today. Your name? You have the right to a lawyer. You're charged with operating while intoxicated. You want a lawyer?
Yes.
He's so backed up.
I'm gonna give her a property.
All right. We'll give you a lawyer this morning, ma'am. You'll go meet with the lawyer, and then you'll come back in here with your lawyer after he or she talks to the prosecutor, okay?
Okay, do I leave out now?
Just have a seat.
No, you go right out in the hallway, okay?
Yeah.
You're welcome. Morning, Ms. Lilloye.
Good to see you, sir.
You too. William Edward Miller the fourth, 26R 514439A. Arahu Albert Daniel Ruiz Arahu, 25F245346.
Good morning to you and your staff, Your Honor. Muhammad Ali Muki, 6140, on behalf of the defendant, along with the Spanish interpreter.
All right. Your name, sir?
Tu nombre, señor? Albert Daniel Luis Arago.
All right, Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name again?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter, C3822.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm that you will make a true and accurate translation between the court and the defendant and the lawyer.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, so counsel, your client is charged with indecent exposure, urinating in public. Does he stand mute, wait formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe they were set for a formal trial. We were here last time, but no Spanish interpreter, but for purposes of the hearing, yes, waiting or you stand mute.
Personal bond, $500. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Seems like you guys could resolve this today, no?
I have no discovery, Your Honor, outside of a police report. I don't know if there's anybody there.
It's urinating in public. I mean, you do what you want. That's fine. I'll set a pretrial.
It's immigration consequences as well, Your Honor.
I understand. Maybe he'll give you something where there is none.
Would the court be so inclined to accept the civil?
It's a urinating in public. I'm not gonna get all excited about, I'm not condoning it. I'm not.
So can we pause it and I can go talk to them if the court's on board?
Well, I don't want to speak for him. I don't want to speak for him.
I guess
It's his call.
he was hesitant, Your Honor. He felt like the court wouldn't accept the civil infraction.
Call him in here.
So about
Go get him. I'm not come here. Come on up here, Mr. Cayley. Your name? I'm not gonna speak for you. This is urinating in public. I got an interpreter here. We're paying a lot of money to. She deserves every nickel and more. But if you want to do something else with this, he said there's immigration. I'm not gonna get excited about urinating in public. I don't condone it, but
Yeah, I was gonna approach you on that
if you
after.
want to do that, you do what you're gonna do. Have a seat, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
People against William Edward Miller IV. Where's Mr. Miller at? Mr. Miller came and pre-tried his case. Now he leaves. What is it with the hallway? I don't get it. Payne? Roderick Maurice Payne? 26F245527. Come on up here, sir. Your name? How you doing? You're soft-spoken.
Pretty good.
Okay, keep nice and loud for me, okay?
Roger Penny.
You're not a Steelers fan, are you?
No, this is the black coat, so I was.
It looks nice on it. Yes.
I couldn't wear the lion and everything with blue.
I got it. You're charged with driving on a suspended. If you want a lawyer, I'll give you one. You want a lawyer? Everybody wants a lawyer today, and that's fine. But I think I might be best just arraigning you and letting you come back because they're really backed
That'll
up.
work best for you.
No. I'm not trying to talk you out of a lawyer. I'm just saying it seems like we're giving a lot of lawyers out today.
Yeah,
And
we can
No.
come back.
okay, maybe that's best. Is that okay with you?
Perfect.
I don't want to inconvenience you. You live in Detroit. If you'd rather take care of it, it's just that you're going to be waiting. He's backed up. I can tell.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you what, I'll go ahead and arraign you and then you tell me what you want to do. Fair?
Fair.
It was alleged that on January the 20th of 26 that you did operate a motor vehicle with suspended, revoked, or denied license on Telegraph near Deer Creek and Flat Rock. In fact, they're saying your license was revoked. That is a misdemeanor. That's not good. That's punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs, or all those 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Just sign, read, and understand the advice of rights. Did you read this form?
Yeah.
Did you understand it?
Yeah.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
I'll enter a not guilty plea, and I'll give you your choice. I'll either set you up with a lawyer today, but you're likely to be waiting for a while, or I'll reschedule it for you. It's up to you.
I had work in a few, so we can schedule.
We'll reschedule this, but give him a lawyer. I'll make a note, Heather. Give defendant attorney. Where do you work at?
I work for Kevin Services. I work for Timber.
All right, we'll give you an attorney when you come back. What's the new date for him? Can you come back on February 19th?
Yeah.
What time, Heather?
We can do 10 o'clock. Or does
10
she need
o'clock.
something a little earlier?
You want something earlier?
10 o'clock is perfect.
10 o'clock. Go down the hall, get your notice. I'll have a lawyer waiting for you today, okay?
Okay.
Lalone, Christian Darnell Lalone, 24F241484. Good morning, Mr.
Morning,
Bruce.
Judge.
How are you?
Hey, I'm good. I think he's in the waiting room.
Well, okay, we'll get him out of there. Your appearance on this, please.
Ronald Bruce on behalf of Mr. Lalone.
Mr. Lalone, your name, you have to unmute, sir.
Christian Lalone.
All right, so does he stay in mute, wait formal reading?
He does, Judge. Think we have an agreement.
I'll continue his bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Mr. Lalone, why weren't you here for 2 years?
I can't give you an answer. I don't know. I'm sorry.
No, you just decided to play fugitive. Don't play fugitive with us, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, pretrial date will be, can you do the 19th, Mr. Bruce?
Judge, we have an agreement if you wanted to resolve it today.
I didn't see that.
The file did not go into Mr. Cayley. I did put Mr. Bruce in with him though.
Oh, I
So
don't
they
think,
did speak. So the file
Hang on.
just needs to go to him.
hang on Yeah, I don't think he wrote this up yet. I didn't see it anyway, so is that right? We didn't,
Do we call Roger here?
no, just take this to Roger, John, and ask him to write up a deal with Mr. Lalone and the prosecutor. And we'll go from there. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Put this in the, is Mr. Miller here? Guys, take off. I don't get it.
Yeah.
Take that one too. All right, Mr. Bruce. I'll have that file taken back to him, okay?
Sounds good.
Albert Daniel Ruiz Arajo, 25F245346.
Morning again to you, Mr. Defendant Muhammad Ali, PA 6140 on behalf of the defendant. Please allow the court your full name.
Con gusto digo buenos días a usted. Habla el abogado Mohamed Ali Hamid, presentando al acusado. Usted diga su nombre de nuevo, por favor.
Albert Daniel Mejorado.
Albert Daniel Ruiz Araujo.
Your name. Did I ask you your appearance yet?
My nurse?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I said it when I came by. I said, sure. Good morning.
My apologies.
Muhammad Ali, PA 6140 on behalf of the defendant.
He's going to plead to impeding the indecent exposure to be dismissed, right?
Yes, Your Honor. Plead responsible to them and the charge.
All right, sir, do you plead responsible to that charge? Impeding traffic?
A este cargo que estaba impediendo el Yes.
Please accept it. Indecent exposure dismissed, 175. Cashier into the hall. No more urinating in public, okay? Tell him that.
Yeah.
Tell him no more urinating in public. Thank you.
¿Está bien?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, you too. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Your
Judge,
Honor.
I'm sorry, what was the fine on that one?
175.
All right, thank you.
Is William Miller in here yet? Where in the world did Mr. Miller go? Would you have somebody call William Miller's name out?
Yeah.
Daniel Joseph Conway, is that yours, counsel? 25F245159, A and B.
Good morning, Judge. Madam, get turned out with the Conway. Conway, take your full name. And Joseph Conway.
Last adjournment, we can do the 19th.
Judge,
At 10:30.
are we able to get something after the 23rd? He's got another matter that he needs to resolve with another court.
Let him go there second.
That's already been scheduled.
What's that for? What's that?
It's for a drunk driver. I'm trying to get.
You're not gonna have it resolved. I've given you since January the 8th. Why didn't you resolve it before then?
Not only one, the fourth and the 26th.
Counsel, I'll do March the 3rd. No more adjournments. March the 3rd at 1 p.m.
Thank you, Judge.
March the 3rd at 1 p.m. Don't ask me for another one, okay?
At 1 p.m. you said?
All right, yes. And you'll go down the hall and you'll get your notice on those, okay? March the 3rd at 1 p.m. Thank you. People against, Tori Elizabeth Antal? Is that she here?
Yes.
25F245326.
Good morning, Judge. Madam, get turned out in San Antonio State.
Not guilty, pleas entered, and now she's going to plead guilty to the added count of operating while impaired, true?
Correct.
People request cost of recovery of $150, ma'am. If you plead guilty to operating while visibly impaired, the operating while intoxicated will be dismissed. These will be the possible penalties: up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service, court costs or all. 4 points, license suspension or revocation in accordance with your record. Your vehicle could be, or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign the advice of rights?
Yes.
Did you read it and understand it today?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that? I can't hear you.
Yes.
To the charge operating while impaired, how do you plead?
Okay.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Gibraltar Road near Mill Street in the city of Flat Rock, County of Wayne on December 25th of 25 at 11:44 p.m.?
I'm sorry.
Ms. Appel, did you hear what the?
Did you hear me?
No, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry. Were you operating a motor vehicle on December 25th, 25 at 11:44 p.m. on Gibraltar Road near Mill Street in the city of Flat Rock?
Yes.
It's Christmas Day. Did you drink alcohol before you drove? Where at and how much and what did you drink?
Where was I drinking? At my
Where were you drinking? Who were you? How much?
family Christmas party.
Okay, how much did you drink?
Couple
You didn't have a couple. Couple what?
shots, a glass of wine, and a beer.
All right. And then your ability to operate was impaired. Is that true? Okay. Why were you pulled over by the police?
Speeding.
Where you were speeding, at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
Yes.
Or do you always speed?
No, I wasn't aware of the speed. I don't typically drive out here.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty? Was the intoxilizer result 0.132? Counsel?
Well, typically, I guess.
For purposes of the plea, and you're not on probation, you're not on parole. You ever been in trouble before? I'm gonna accept your plea to impaired drug. Dismiss the OWI, refer you for a screening and assessment. Personal bond of $1,000, no alcohol, holding you.
31.
No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. Where do you work at?
I'm in between jobs right now. About to be working for delivery for Amazon.
All right, no alcohol. I don't think I'm gonna require, she's got nothing else.
No, sure.
I'm not gonna require you to attend any AA. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. Screening and assessment will take place today. You're gonna go across the hall, fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed. You'll come back here for sentencing on February the 19th.
Okay.
Yes, Judge, at 10:30.
Am I kind of booked up on that date at 8:30?
At 8:30. No, we could do 8:30.
Let's do it at 8:30. You can get out of bed and get here at 8:30, right, ma'am?
Yes.
8:30 on February 19th. Go down the hall, get your notice, go across the hall, fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed. You'll come back for sentencing, okay? Thank you. Miller? Is Miller here?
I called Will say he thinks he left.
What up? William Edward Miller, the fourth, 26R 514-439A. Defendant was here but left. This is the guy that I rescheduled the case. I don't know what happened. Stip form was worked out. He must have thought he could leave. So send another notice, Heather. We can do it on the 9th. Rather at 8:30 or whenever you want to schedule it. Luke, Jordan, Adele, Luke, 25F245-322A and B. Can I also have Wendy Tucker Beck seated at the table here, please?
Yes, Beck is on the phone, Judge.
Okay, sir, your name?
Jordan Bell.
Counsel?
Good morning, Judge. Matt, to get on behalf of Mr. Luke, for record purposes, will stand due for reading.
All right, so he's going to plead to impeding traffic. He's going to plead to allowing licensed driver to drive. First of all, does he stand mute? Wait for him to read.
Yes.
So the suspend charge will be dismissed. He's going to plead on that charge to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Correct.
He's also going to plead on the A file, which is the civil infraction file of improper lane use, but he's going to plead instead to impeding. So he'll plead to impeding and allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The suspend will be dismissed and the improper lane use will be dismissed. True?
Correct.
That's what you want to do?
Yes, Your
If you
Honor.
plead to impeding, that's 0 points. It won't go on your record. If you plead to allowing a licensed driver to drive, that's 0 points. It won't go on your record, but you could be punished by up to $500 in fines, 90 days jail costs, or all those. Do you understand that? Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yeah.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that? To the charge allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Yes.
To the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Possible.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Telegraph in Valley Creek Drive in Flat Rock, December 26th of 25 at 8:15 p.m.?
Yes.
Did you allow somebody to drive that was unlicensed, and that was you, true?
Yes.
Are you on probation,
No, Your Honor.
parole?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
He's revoked?
He's revoked, he's in the process, Judge, he's been returning, he's in the process of getting that revocation taken care of.
You can drive on a revoked, son. I'll accept your plea to allowing a licensed driver to drive and impeding. I will dismiss the suspend, dismiss the improper lane use. I'll listen to anything else that you have to say before I sentence you. Anything else?
Judge, I just that, like I said, Mr. Booth's already in the process, he's already an attorney, and he's in the process of getting that situation with his license taken care of. He understands that it's not something that he should be doing, especially now that he's in the process of trying to get his license back. I've explained the consequences of that, and he's assured that this won't happen again.
I mean, anything else?
No, Your Honor, I have credentials if you'd like to look at them, but no.
Credentials.
No, no.
He's got the assessments that he's had done for the hearing on the revocation.
Well, that's good. You can't drive on a revoke though, okay? 175 on the impeding, 4.25 on the allowing unlicensed driver to drive. That's 100 fines, 200 costs, 75 victim charge, $50 justice assessment. So 4.25, 90 days on that, 175 on the impeding. Can you pay all that?
Payment plan,
How much do you have today?
I can come in on Monday.
With all of it?
With partial.
What?
100.
Do you work?
I'm seasonal in Mason.
You pay the impeding, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you until February the 20th, okay? And on the other case, I'll let you pay $75 weekly rather, 75 weekly, starting on the 27th. Can you do that?
Yes.
So, all right, they'll give you a printout down there. Make sure you stick with that. If you can't.
The judge spent the entire hearing balancing strict courtroom discipline with surprising compassion. One defendant admitted he ignored multiple unpaid tickets, and the judge warned him directly, "Or are you going to make me lock you up?" But after learning the man's mother was hospitalized after multiple strokes and he was caring for his younger sisters, the judge suddenly reduced nearly all the fines and told him, "It doesn't work out bad when you come and talk to us." The courtroom later shifted into intense DUI hearings, where the judge warned one repeat drunk driving defendant that if she didn't enter sobriety court, she could be in jail for a long time. Another emotional moment came when a military veteran appeared in court. After hearing about his service in Korea and Vietnam, the judge thanked him sincerely and dismissed his case entirely after learning he fixed the property issue connected to the citation. The hearing also included funny courtroom moments, including the judge joking that a man looks like a lawyer because of his sharp outfit and bow tie. By the end of the chaotic docket, the courtroom had seen emotional family struggles, drunk driving warnings, legal confusion, veterans being honored, and several defendants catching unexpected breaks from the judge.